How to add or remove background sounds to the accessibility shortcuts menu on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down. And in here, we're going to tap on Accessibility Shortcuts. Next, we tap on Background Sounds. Now select Background Sounds if you want to add it to the menu. To remove it from the menu, just simply deselect Backgrounds. Here, I will select it, and you can see if I double click on the side button, then it will open up the Accessibility Shortcuts menu with background sounds. And if I deselect the item, it will be removed from the menu. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.